All right, guys, we're over here in Long Beach. Got a refinish and a repair to do. Original red oak floor, 2¼ inches wide, 3/4 inch thick. Gonna replace these where the heater used to be. Repair some of these termite boards. I'm gonna take the wood out of this bedroom. But now pulling up the carpet, when they built this addition, the subfloor is oak flooring. So stay tuned. That's going to be a nightmare. What we have done is we've taken out all the old wood. We got to pull up all the nails. This is the most expensive way to do it, but it's the best way to do it. It's a lot more work. We've got to go through these. This is the wood that we've taken out of the bedroom. We have to pull the nails, go through the grooves, the tongues, make sure it's all clean so when we reinstall it, it goes back together beautiful. Over here, we've put up all the carpet, the plywood, got a little hole patch here. So now once this is sanded, it'll be the same age, the same wood, everything. You'll never be able to see. This will look as if it was original, because the wood is original. Working on replacing the vents, and this wood, for 80 years old, is in extremely good shape. And this is only our first sanding, our 36 grit. We try to get all these carpet cuts out. This thing is beautiful, gonna be great. Got the fan going. All the repairs are done. Remember the heater hole that was here yesterday? That's the putty, that's gonna be sanded off in a couple of minutes. Heater hole used to be here. That putty will be sanded off. We try to fill in the gaps and cracks. These older homes, you're gonna always have gaps and cracks. It's wood, it's always gonna grow and shrink. We try to do what we can. New wood, which was the old wood from the bedroom. You can barely see new wood, the older wood. And the older wood is a lower grade, meaning it's like a #1 common, so it has like the mineral marks, the knot holes. This is the select red oak. We try to pick out the. So remember the heater hole that was here, completely, we used all the old original wood, so that blends completely in, you'll never see it. Over here, again, we used the same original wood from the bedroom. Show right over here, there you go. Just show right here, just show all the way this way. Yeah, so all of that, I mean, it looks the exact same because it is the exact same. So here, it's still pretty light. You can see the shadow. You can see the darkness of it. That's from the pet urine. A good example of, do you need to waste the money and change the boards? He knows a rug is going to go here, so that's never going to be seen. Most people, that's so light, most people aren't going to see it anyway. Over here in this doorway, that would always be seen. Heater repair here, we use the new wood, so you can see a slight difference. In here, you can see the brand new wood versus the old wood. The old wood has that little amber to it. It's a little bit cleaner. The bed's going to be in here. No one will really ever notice it. It's worth taking the time to spend the extra money for us to demo this carefully, pull the nails, clean it like you've seen in the other videos. So this is pretty much wrapped up. We will see you on the next one.